So, tell me, how did you celebrate Independence Day? I think you must have celebrated Independence Day in a very good way, with pomp and show, and with that enthusiasm. Hmm? Am I right? I'm so inquisitive to know about that because I haven't celebrated. Yeah, it's right. I'm not a telling lie. I haven't celebrated Independence Day in my life after getting married. Because after getting married, there is no means of celebrating Independence Day. And even in my village, no one is concerned about celebrating Independence Day. No one knows about Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Said Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. These all are freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for the sake of getting freedom from the British councils. And they have suffered a lot. And if we are living our life freely, then just because of all those great personalities. Having said that, in my village, yeah, there's no doubt freedom is there, but not for a woman, not for girls. Freedom is all over there just for the patriarchal society or male dominated society. All the men have that liberty to live their life as they want. It's not mandatory for them to follow each and every rule. And there is not any kind of boundary for the man. On the other hand, if I talk about ladies, so the first rule, which is very strict and we have to follow, is we have to put that long veil. We are not allowed to show our face to anyone except our husband. Okay? We are allowed to do whatever we are asked by our parents, by our parents, grandparents, means in-laws, father-in-law, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, brother-in-law. We have to only do what they asked us to do. We have to cook. We have to indulge ourselves from morning to till night only in doing work. And after doing all these work, we are not allowed to live our life as we want to live. We don't have any expectations. We don't have any freedom. I can't say that I'm living a life freely with that liberty. We are not allowed to go anywhere without our husband. People, okay, people in my village, they don't believe their wife at all. I don't know why. If I talk about my village, so most of the time, I think 50% male, they drink alcohol, they consume alcohol, and off and on they have altercation with their wife, with their relatives, and with their neighbors, and this makes me so irritated. But now I have learned from my life, from experiences, that always think about only yourself, only think about only your life, because no one is going to give you happiness. You have to find happiness the way it is. It's totally up to you whether you want to live your life with that happiness or you just want to curse yourself. On the other hand, if I talk about in cities, there is no doubt in cities, ladies and girls, they have so much freedom. They can go anywhere, they can live their life as they want, they can do their work, okay, they can handle their house as well as their job. Having said that, if I say, mm, still we are lagging behind. Still, even in cities, ladies, they are facing lots of problems. And I don't want to speak about that moment or those problems, those pain, those agony which each and every girl suffered. Because some days ago, okay, a very bad thing has happened in this society in Kolkata. And this is again humanity. This is not called humanity. Why is this happen? Why these kind of activities still men do? They drink alcohol, they beat their wife, they beat their kids, and they don't have any sense. What are they doing? A girl who had studied throughout her life, who had so many dreams to live their life, to serve this country, who became a doctor, who had been on training. She was raped and she was killed. There's so many wounds on her body. Everyone has seen her wounds, but not her father's. They are alive, but they are totally heartbroken. They don't have any guts. When their child was alive, then they had lots of dreams for their baby, for their girl. But now, with that girl, all those dreams vanished. Who is the reason? Who is the reason? What is this society doing? We worship goddess Durga. We worship Radha. We worship Parvati. We worship Parvati. But what about a real woman? A real Durga? In each and every woman, there is a Durga. There is a goddess. And why we don't have any regard for that lady who is a mother, who can be a mother. This male dominated society always blame only girls. That girls are wearing short dresses, that's why it happens. Then what about 4 and 5 years child or baby? Why this thing happens with these babies? Who is responsible for this? A man who does these activities or this nation? Why? Why alcohol is sold freely? Why is not any kind of law behind selling this alcohol? Alcohol is the main reason. Because each and every year our nation, okay, gets so much money. It's too much. We can't tolerate this. And just do something.